C-Max.
Are
you okay with me calling you?
That's fine, mate.
I've called it you that all the time.
Yeah.
Right, I'm with my good friend Chima.
Yeah, that's me.
And and we've known each other for quite a while.
Yeah.
And
I think it's been like over 3 years, mate.
Is it 3 years now? What is it?
I'm a powerlifter. I do a strict curl, it's called. And basically I got 100 kg, which is the national natural record or the drug-free record.
You can't argue, can you?
I do a bit of a bench press as well. So I've got a 195 kg for the bench press. That's a British record for my federation.
And that's all natural?
All natural, yeah. So yeah, I don't take no steroids. Well, I don't even take protein, to be honest.
Yeah?
I take protein from the meals I eat. So today, eating this cod, that's good protein. So
when was your first championship?
So my first one was 3 years ago now. I used to play rugby before that. And I used to do like a lot of curling with the curl bar. And I've realized I'm stronger here. So I was looking for any competitions. And I found one for the BPF. And they basically do strict curl competition. So strict curls where you have to put your bum on your back and your head against the wall and then do a bicep curl. So yeah, that's a strict curl.
I mean, 100 kilos on a strict curl, that's no rocking off. You've got to have your back against the wall. I mean, that's crazy stuff, isn't it?
Nice one.
Yeah, well, it's C-Max 90 and C-Max as a rapper.
Yeah, I was a rapper. Now I'm a producer. Yeah, so I produce hip-hop beats.
And you've made one, haven't you, for this?
Not yet. Not yet.
For Sue's meal here, C-Max. Are you okay with me calling
That's fine, mate.
I've called it you that all the time.
Yeah.
Salt and pepper, belly pork. You've had one of these, haven't you?
Yeah.
And another one.
Yeah, go on. They feel really crispy. Meat a little bit soft, but the flavors are there. Yeah, it tastes good.
Yeah, I thought the same thing. A little bit firm, but tons of flavour, that's for sure. Thank you.
Pork white anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at these. The salt and pepper chips, for me, I like lots of vegetables with it. I like with that pork then, the salt and pepper pork. You suppose you could have just thrown that on and got the vegetables from it. And I think that's the way I prefer my salt and pepper chips, with loads of pepper, like green peppers, red peppers, and chili flakes, whatever. Just things going on. Onion, plenty of onion.
Nice and fluffy on the inside, slightly crispy on the outside. Yeah, that'll
do it, yeah. Cool. I'll give them back to Sue.
Really nice.
Right, let's get cracking to what we've got here. We've got curry.
Brilliant.
Mushy peas. We've got gravy.
Lovely.
Oh, we got, help yourself, get fish and chips there.
Thank you.
Let's have a little look.
Oh, looks nice,
Yeah.
Great packaging.
You got the bigger one as well. Yeah, there's nothing like cardboard than having that polystyrene stuff that sweats everything out.
Yeah, fish looks crispy, doesn't it? But yeah, it looks good.
Looks all right, doesn't it? Chips, a lot of people will say they're anemic.
Is that what people have been saying on the review?
If they're very pale, they go, yeah.
Oh.
But
crispy on the outside, softening. They look a bit like they're going to be on the cut or something a bit.
Yeah.
The colour, but they're actually really nice.
They are, aren't they? This is only the standard portion. It's not like an extra large or it was.
By the way, I always watch Steve. Like, I love this show and I watch it all the time. Click like and subscribe as well. Really good channel. This is my new brand that I'm making with my brother-in-law. It's called Boom Pro. So we made our own in wear. So we do it's mainly for boxers. So we sponsor boxers. We're sponsoring a show called Box Nation. That's coming on, I think it's the 13th of July, and we're sponsoring that show.
I'll stick the links in the description as well.
See.
Hey, no problem at all. It's been great watching you develop it as well with your brother,
Thank you.
who is also was he a UK
Brother, some
champion
brothers,
boxer?
he's a British champion, Commonwealth champion, and European champion, and he's a world title contender as well.
Jeez, I mean, got it in the family, haven't we? But those chips, yeah, really pale looking at first, but really quite nice.
They are like got a nice crisp to them.
Mm. But that batter looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah, it is nice.
Nice. It
Yeah.
looks white, doesn't it? Really fresh. That's up there with some of the best bits I've tasted.
Is it really?
I love the crispiness of it, and the crispy, nice. The batter is lovely. Not too thick, not too thin.
The C-Max thing there, it's good, that, isn't it?
Thank you.
Real diamonds too.
I wish.
Yeah.
Oh man, this fish looks good. So it's quite juicy as well, isn't it? It's not dry at all.
You make some great songs though as well. I remember listening early on a few years back on some of the songs you've got on YouTube there. Actually, you've done some great videos too.
Oh, thank
You know, with you in them. I like the earlier ones where you were in a bridge or on a bit of,
Oh, you see that one there, Make It Happen?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it was a cracker, that.
Oh, thank you, man.
I like the batter that goes with it because although it looks a little moist, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
I guess a bit of sarsons on
Oh,
it.
yeah, that's what you need. Yeah,
You've got the non-brewed condiment.
okay.
That's the chippy vinegar. You've got your apple cider vinegar, the white vinegars, your pickle vinegar. They're very different and they can be called vinegar.
Oh, I didn't know that.
No, well, chippy vinegar is not allowed to be called vinegar
Oh, okay.
because it's not vinegar.
What is it?
It's not officially vinegar. It's just the chemicals to reduce the acidic
So
acid.
it's not good for you, really, or?
No, it's fine.
Oh,
It's no problem. It's just that this has got a trace of a few better bits in it, like
Yeah.
B vitamin and whatnot.
I know you. How many of these shows have you done then? Over 110 in it, or more than that?
Oh, I'm terrible, me. I can't talk and eat.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's a funny one. I'm a funny like that. This is a 135. The peas look all right.
That's how I like peas.
Thick.
Thick, and I don't like them. I don't like seeing the peas too much.
No, I know what you mean.
I love mashed peas. So.
That's not
This
bad at
mine,
all,
yeah.
that. Mm-hmm. And they're subtle too. They're not full of all kinds of condiments, additives, things like that.
Got a nice pea taste in it.
Mm. Yeah, we're not doing bad here, actually.
More subtle, aren't they? See, I'm over gravy and chips, man, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So when I go Wales often. When I go there and get fish, we always get fish on holiday. I normally get gravy.
That's a bit saltier for you.
Okay.
I like that.
It looks nice.
Mm.
The fish you've just eaten
Yeah.
this afternoon with us
Yeah.
was delivered this morning straight from Fleetwood. That's how fresh it is.
Yeah.
Our batter is not thick, it's thin, so you can see the fish through it.
What about the
Everything's
chips?
cooked in beef dip.
Yes, the fish and
The
the,
chips?
chips. They're filtered every day, every morning.
Yeah.
The fish is brought in. We buy the best spuds. As you can see, there's no eyes, no nothing.
Mm.
You see the result yourself. And then we got our big boy here.
Yeah.
No, I hope you've enjoyed it, guys.
Yeah.
We don't like giving it all out. We get what I mean. This is our George.
Hello, everyone. Oh, good.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you, mate.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, mate. This
What do you think of the gravy?
this gravy, right up my street, mate. Right up my street.
Yeah.
Um,
A bit saltier for you.
I like salt. It's got that nice. It's nice, quite thick as well. I like it, you know. Curry,
Excellent. Oh, just the way I like it.
spicy, is it?
Yeah. I don't like it too fruity or lumps in it. Well, I do. I don't mind it.
Mm.
But as a preference, I will go for the smooth and thick and spicy every time.
Oh wow, wow. Yeah, that's nice.
Now, what's happened is, when we pulled up onto a grass verge, Sue went in to get the food, and right behind me, in a car, I knew there was a bloke in the car, but I wasn't expecting it was the owner of the shop. So while Sue's in there and about to come out, I'm starting to set up. And he says, right, this is good. I'm looking forward to seeing this video. You're going to be putting on YouTube. Oh yeah, have a quick chat like that. And then he's ready to go back inside. And I had to keep him here because I didn't want him to go back inside. And then Sue getting a bigger portion of something or extra things, and I managed to keep him with me. So he got the hint, and he stayed with me.
I just want to say, the way he goes about his reviews is better than anyone out there. Plus, he's very truthful, and yeah, he's got integrity and everything. So yeah, make sure you subscribe as well. I know I said that before, but make sure you subscribe because he's only going up.
I'll give you that 20 quid in a minute. What's 20, wasn't it? I don't know, maybe 15 for that. Yeah, we're going to chill for a minute or two, aren't we? Have a bit of chin wag and whatnot.
Okay.
So it'll be back to the computer. We'll look at a few reviews. A low one, somewhere in the middle, a high one, then mine. Cheers, Chima.
Right, see you later.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no problem. But don't forget, check out his stuff. All the links will be in the description. You know, his business there, his clothing, sports business, his music, whatever you can find, all his social media stuff. And he's a really nice bloke. Really, really nice. Well, he wouldn't be sat here otherwise. Cheers. See you now.
Thank you.
Right, as you can see, I'm on a different angle here. I'm trying my Pocket 3 with this video because I find the sound's better than my Rode mic on my Sony camera. My Sony camera, the image quality is so much better than the Pocket 3, but at the same time, there's nothing wrong with this, and it's still 4K. It's just that is a little bit on the special side. Right, the first thing to know is that we arrived at the fish and chip shop at the Crispy Cod just after 1:30, and it was closing at 2. Now, I wouldn't normally do that. I wouldn't turn up at a place that has to prepare food, especially any place really that's only got half an hour to go, because you know everybody's winding down. You know, the fryers may be turning off, the people are wanting to get home to their families or to do whatever it is they're going to do for a couple of hours before having to come back in again. But I did do that, didn't I? But I didn't know because Google said it was open from 11 o'clock until 11 o'clock at night, or 10 or 11 o'clock at night, every night except Sunday, and then from 4 onwards on Sunday. That wasn't my fault. It was the fault that the times hadn't been changed on Google. And that was really unfortunate. And apparently they can't change the times. It's something to do with the passwords or something or other, some error that happened a long time ago, but they can no longer change the times on Google. I think they're going to have to really look into it and figure out a way around it. You know, contacting Google on their helplines or something. They're going to have to try and sort something out, because people may turn up, like I did. I may have turned up at 3 o'clock and it'd have been closed, and I'd have been pretty disappointed. And that's no doubt what's happening to a lot of people. But you can go on their website, which is thecrispycodonline.com, and they have an app as well, and you can get all the times from that, or the up-to-date times. But again, needs to be sorted on Google, really does. And the other surprise was the beef dripping in St. Helens. We did have one in Warrington, which was Dollington's. It was my first review, actually, beginning of last year. And it was just as it was changing hands. And it did change hands, and the new owners have never been around since. And it's permanently closed, which is really sad, because it was an absolutely fantastic chippy. And beef dripping, too. So anyway, let's get on with these reviews. 1 star. First time in a long time, I popped in for a tray of chips. The lady picked up a dirty tray in front of my eyes. Absolutely disgusting. I said to her, "Can I have a clean tray, please?" Chips, £3.20, were swimming in fat. Won't be revisiting. 3 star. Food okay. Staff all really nice. Just a bit expensive for what it is. 5 star. Stumbling across this place the other day as we were working around the corner from it. Wow. The price for the meal we got was amazing, and the food was 110% as well. We then called back the day after, and we weren't disappointed. Food and staff and price was excellent. will definitely be calling again when working around this area. Mine, 5 stars. Crispy Cod has a vast and varied menu, but I was there for the Chippy Fair, and after over 100 years preparing chip shop food, I hoped they wouldn't let me down. They didn't. Cooking in beef dripping, my favourite medium, the batter on the cod was light, crisp and tasty. The cod itself, brought in daily from Fleetwood, according to the staff, was indeed fresh and delicious. According to the opening and closing times on Google, we believed the shop would be open all afternoon. However, we arrived with less than half an hour to spare before closing. I wouldn't dream of knowingly turning up at a Chippy so close to closing time, but the staff still served us, and without hesitation. The chips came out a little light in colour, which I first thought was due to our late arrival, but that didn't stop them from being crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, full of flavour. The gravy was spot on, just the right thickness and not overly salty. The curry sauce was a standout, thick and with a pleasant kick, yet not overly spicy. The mushy peas were thick enough for most, though I'd have liked them a little thicker. The flavour was nicely subtle. What a cracking shop, and one I'll be revisiting. The staff were warm, friendly and polite. The shop itself was roomy and spotlessly clean, and there was even a handy little dedicated car park to the side. Cooking in, beef dripping. Payment, cash or card. Hygiene rating 5. Fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.
Oh, na na na, it's the Chippy Tour, cruising the coast, can't ignore. With every bite, I'm loving it more. Saving the chippies, that's what I'm for. Yo, I hit the road, got salt in my veins.